Compact, powerful, and built to perform. This is the Peerless PD12 portable air compressor. This compressor is powered by a 2.5 horsepower, 10 amp direct drive motor, producing 175 litres per minute of free air at 100 psi, making it ideal for light to medium air tool applications such as car tyre inflation, low pressure spray gunning, and more. With its 50 litre air receiver, this unit provides a solid reserve of air, so you get consistent pressure and long run times between cycles. Designed with portability in mind, the PD12 features solid wheels and an ergonomic handle, making it easily maneuverable around the workshop or shed. Additional features include a 1/4 inch BSB air outlet coming direct from the water trap filter regulator, as well as quick connect fittings, making operations simple and efficient, whether you're on the job site or in your home garage. Backed by Peerless trusted engineering and nationwide support, the Peerless PD12 comes with a 1-year warranty, making it an ideal choice for tradies, hobbyists, and professionals alike. The Peerless PD12, portable power with proven performance. Get yours from your local air compressor centre today.